Hello everybody, welcome back to LDL BDSP Draft League. Today we're playing against Otto. I think it is the first one of our 3 matches from our own subdivision, because we're in Spring Division and the 16 players are divided in 4 groups of 4 people, and now we are playing back to back all of those 3 people, and Otto is the first one of them. So those matches are going to be important for the playoff seedings. So yeah, I've decided to go all out rain this week, and let me just see. Okay, so he has Azelf. Alright, so Blaziken Weavile with Azelf. I'm thinking that if I go Rain right off the bat, I have a faster fake out with Ludicolo than his Weavile. Staraptor in the back with Double Edge just wrecks him like a lot. And there's no Carnivine, so there's no use for my Vermont, which was mainly there to Oko Carnivine turn 1 if you wanted to Great Fodder. But I think I'll go like this. I like having a late fake out with Raichu and having a Focus Sash for taking a hit late game. I will, I believe, Scald Muck. And fake it out so that he doesn't poison jab me right off the bat. Yeah, we're trading fake outs here, that's fine. Alright, so he is Black Sludge. We'll protect this turn. Because I don't think Scald's Oko's Muck, since that is pretty fat. And he is Black Sludge. Alright, so I flinch, so that's fucking bad. This game, I swear, like, every secondary effect of a move that can happen will happen in this game. Like, every time. It's guaranteed. Like right now I'm gonna have a burn. No burn? Ah, okay. I'm gonna go for the fake out on Weavile and proceeds to go from here. We drew Weavile, but I still have my Scarf Staraptor in the back, so good play on the Protect. We'll try to make the Muck useless by anchoring him, if I can. Lock him into Protect for at least 3 turns. Okay, I have my Slash, that's fine. Now Muck cannot Poison Jab me anymore. Yeah, alright. So now I have my Tailwind. I'm free now to... Oh. I'm gonna try to get rid of Azelf right now. Like, there's a para. Right? Secondary effect of moves happen every time. Like, the paralysis. There's a lot of hacks in this game. I genuinely think that they upped every possibility of secondary effect to trigger. I can only fake out one of my mons, so I will get rid of Weavile. If he wants to double protect, like right here, I think he switches out Muck. Alright. So it's gonna be a 2v1 with my Staraptor and Caliper. Okay, the Anchor ended. Okay. Okay, but I am Scarf. I know he isn't Sash. If he wants to protect this turn, that's fine, because I will still outspeed it next turn after his speed boost. And Muck cannot KO me with Poison Jab, so that's fine. Muck is still going for Protect even though he's not locked into it anymore. Now Blaziken think it is safe, but I am Scarf, like I said, and I specifically EV to outspeed Blaziken by 1 point, so I'm fine here. Like, granted, I'm gonna lose Staraptor most likely, but maybe I'm gonna get a burn from Scald. Who knows? So like with recoil here, I think Poison Jab KOs my Staraptor. Okay, no, I should be fine still. Okay, Poison Touch, but that's fine. It's a 60% chance of happening. But die from Poison. Okay, but it's 60% chance of happening, so it's not like that much of an axe, but I've went for like 2 Scalds on Muck, no burns. Still no burn. Great. Right. Okay, I think I'm gonna go Venomoth. With a Poliwrath lead and Pelipper in the back, as well as the Raptor. So no fake outs right off the bat. He will though, most likely. Psychic my Venomoth, so I'm gonna set up my rain and try to get rid of his elf before he can psychic my Poliwrath. Granted, Brave Bird will do a lot still to Poliwrath, but I think my priority here is his elf. I'm gonna keep Venomoth for later if he has something like Weavile in the back. Okay, this can protect. His elf is Scarf? Oh, so throw Scarf is elf. Wow. And that is faster than my Lost 2. Okay, so I just lost here, I think. I'm gonna lock myself into double edge in case he has unfurls in the back and wants to switch that thing. Yeah, but I think I lost because Scarf is off. Yeah. Because my Poliwrath and Ludicolo are both EV to outspeed Blaziken at +1. So Azelf at +1 is faster than Blaziken at +1. Oh, that's so nice. Wow, pickpocket Sash. He stole my Scarf. That's so nice. So he will just Icicle Crash to victory here, and there's not much I can do about it. So yeah. He can miss his Icicle Crash, so I think my play is to stay him, and but no, he doesn't miss. Either way, my Venomoth dies, so I had to hope that he missed. But that's so nice, man. The pickpocket tech with Focus Sash doing my Adam. That was so great. Oof, stockpile, my dude. You really want to play that game? Because I'm losing anyway, so I mean, go for it. Wow, but Scarf itself was a really nice bring. There's no way that I'm not waves. No way, absolutely no way. Yeah. But game 1, if game 1 he didn't have the Poison Touch on my Staraptor, the combination of Double Edge and my Pelipper Scald would have won me the match, but like I said, it was a 60% chance in his favor, so it was in his favor to get the poison. But yeah. So yeah, man, GG's. You really out-prepped me, and it showed. Like, you really deserved that match. Weavile Tech was really nice. So was Azelf Scarf to outspeed my Rain. So yeah, and that's it, guys. We'll see each other next week with our next match. So yeah, see you soon.